Are you doing this one mistake that's killing YouTube channels?
Ballin', I came from nothing to something like it's nothing. Yeah, you know I done it. That is no discussion, bitch. I'm ballin'. I made a promise to my mama. I'ma turn these zeros into tens and commas.
Yo, what's up guys, it's Reinis here, and I'm gonna tell you one mistake that is done by a lot of YouTubers out there, especially the ones that are starting. And this is a thing that will make or break your channel. It is audio. And a lot of you focus just on the video part of the video because you think, oh yeah, I'm gonna get a good camera, good this, good that. Like, you can see at the camera, it looks great. But would you watch this video if the audio, if it was like this? Right, yo, what's up guys, it's Reinis here. Now you can hear the audio that's on the shotgun mic I have there. Or would you rather look at the video like this, just with a black screen but with a very, very nice audio? So you get my point. Video is not everything, you have to focus on your audio. As you can see, I have a professional mic here, and you might be thinking, oh shit, that thing costs a lot of money, I won't afford that, I'd rather go with video, but don't. There are a lot of options you can improve your audio. Great thing I'm using right now is Audacity. I'm not gonna be showing you how to edit on Audacity. I'm gonna be, like, there are a lot of tutorials out there, so you should just look those up. But yeah guys, it was just a quick disclaimer for you. Focus on audio. When you think about upgrading, upgrade your audio first. People are gonna appreciate that because nobody wants to hear all the fucking time, right? Listen to the silence. It's just perfect silence. And people want to hear that. That's that, guys, and it's pretty much done with the video. This was a super duper short video. I just wanted to get this out of the way because there are a lot of guys that are they're neglecting this. I want you to subscribe and like this video right now and send this video to one YouTuber you know that needs to improve their audio quality, because I guarantee you they're gonna grow 10 times because, like, audio is just a huge part of everything. You guys, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, and as I said, send this video to one friend. Peace.